Mrs. Sexton, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Huddle.
I'm on my way to the store.
Why?
Because I really want some Peeps. 1 for eating, 2, I need to fix a table.
I love it.
There's
All
multiple
right.
uses for Peeps, boys and girls.
What's your favorite way to use a Peep?
My favorite way to use a Peep is to slightly warm it in the microwave so it grows. Science, because the molecules go faster and expand. And I like to eat it nice and gooey. What's your favorite use for a Peep?
I don't really think that Peeps have a whole lot of use.
No purpose for Peeps?
I mean, they're cute. I like to look at them.
You know,
put them in my Easter basket.
It can hold up your phone while you watch a movie.
That's true.
You can put it in your Easter basket.
It might
They're
get
pretty
my
cute.
phone sticky, though.
You're right. Those Peeps.
All right. Well, read us our problem.
Well, I'm going to the store and Peeps are 12 Peeps for $3. How much? I have to buy 60 of them. So how much do I pay for 60 Peeps?
Why do you need 60 Peeps?
Well, I've got a lot of table legs to fix and a lot of snacks to eat.
All right. Well, hey, here's a nice package of Peeps, and we can see that 12 Peeps come in the package.
Okay.
So, if 12 Peeps come in the package and you gotta buy 60, first we have to figure out how many packages of Peeps you need.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So, can I draw a bar model?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. So, if we want to get 60 Peeps all together, but they come in packs of 12, we need to know how many packs we need.
Wow.
So, some groups of 12 is going to be equal to 60. How many groups of 12 equal 60?
Let's see. I know a little bit about 12s. I know 12, 24, 36. 48. Then plus 12 must be 60.
Yeah. So, how many 12s was that?
I think it's 5.
You're right. It is 5. I also like to think of the clock whenever I see 60, and
Great idea.
I remember that there's 12 numbers on the clock. So 5 times 12 is 60,
That's
which
right.
means that our answer is that you have to buy 5 packages of Peeps.
Well, I still don't know how much money I need to bring.
Well, how much does each package cost? So let's draw your 5. Here's one package of. Uh-oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Here, let's make it bigger.
We like to
again.
keep them guessing.
Yeah. So here's one package of Peeps right there.
That's not
And
enough.
then there's one package of Peeps.
There it is.
And there's 2.
2, so 12,
3,
24, 36,
4,
48,
and 5 packages of Peeps.
60.
So there's 60 Peeps, right?
Yep.
But each package doesn't cost 12. It costs $3. So 6, 9, 12, 15.
I have to bring $15 to the store.
And we could have also said that we had 5 groups of 3, and that was equal to 15.
$15.
And so you pay $15, Miss Huddle, for your Peeps. So Miss Huddle pays
$15.
$15 for Peeps. That's kind of a lot of money to spend on Peeps.
That really is, but I think that these ones are gourmet.
Okay.
I think so. I really do.
Awesome.
So these kiddos have a test tomorrow.
A test tomorrow. And scholars, there are 2 problems just like this one on your test.
I'm really glad you're watching because we can encourage you. We can help you with some of the tough ones and just say that we think you're going to do a wonderful job tomorrow.
We do. Just do your best.
But before you do that, you need to do a teacher high five. Give your teacher high five.
All right, here's the teacher high five.
What does it say?
It says chocolate bunnies are sold at 6 for $8. So that means that you can get 6 chocolate bunnies in that package, and the package will cost you $8.
Okay.
If Mrs. Mitchell buys 54 chocolate bunnies, how much will she spend?
That sounds really great. I can't wait to see what you come up with tomorrow.
All right. Good luck, scholars. We are so excited to see you in the morning for your math test.
We wish you well. Good night.
Good night.